Assalamu alaikum. This is one of my recent purchases from the Wish app. It's a white cardigan on lace, like a white jacket on lace. It's got 3/4 length sleeves, and the length of this jacket is like a 3/4 length. The reason why I bought it was I wanted to wear it on a white abbaya, and I want to slightly jazz it up. Now for jazzing it up, I've bought some items which I previously bought, and I showed in one of my previous videos. It was this white lace, it's a diamanté lace, and I bought it in 3 different sizes. Now the first time I purchased this, I complained to them that the measurement wasn't so good on this, and they actually refunded me the money. So I purchased some more, and this time we've got a mixture of, you know, like this one is 39 inches, and then there's one that's 35 inches and one that's 36 inches. So the measurement is not all that. They're not exactly accurate. Sometimes they can end up giving you slightly less, but considering the price we're paying for this, it's worthwhile buying it. Now I did go crazy on the app, and I bought quite a lot of things, and my mum called me crazy, by the way, as well. So I think I am going a bit loopy. Anyway, you know, it's like when you discover something really good, and it's something that you do anyway, and then you find all the, you know, goodness in it, and you think, well, you know what, I paid fortune for these laces, and this one, it has an absolutely amazing shine, and you know, the quality is absolutely exceptional. I bought 3 different types. This one is a 3 tier one, 3 different settings to it, and then I bought 2, and this one is a very fine one. It's in a 3, but it's in a smaller beads, and it's so pretty. I can't even begin to tell you. Now the other thing that I bought was these buttons. There was 10 in a pack, and again, they are exceptionally pretty diamante buttons. So what I want to do is I want to take these buttons off, and I want to replace them with these, and I also want to use the 2-layer one, which is this one. I've already got one out. Okay, so I want to use this on top of the existing stitching here, and I want to cover the stitching. Now initially I had the thing of even replacing this. I can't quite remember. I might even have done a video on it, but you know what, I haven't simply got the time. It's nicely stitched. I'm just going to stick with that, and then there is a slight bit of a problem that you have to be careful because this is fine fabric and it does tend to stick. But I think once it's sewn on, hopefully it doesn't seem like it's going to stick like once it's stitched into place. Anyway, it's one of those occasional wear, you know, where I want to wear it on top of an abaya just for like special occasions. That was one of my recent purchases. Alhamdulillah, I've had some really good experience with the app, and I've bought several different items, including items like the French curve, which is used for tailoring, and this is such a good tool to have. Also tools like the feet, darning foot and so on. I've purchased them, and they have worked absolutely brilliantly on the machine. You can also get lots of other things if you like short on threads and stuff. I've seen that they do some brilliant threads. I mean, generally you normally pay like 150 per roll of this, and they've got like some really good deals on there. Obviously I've got so many threads that I never bothered ordering threads and stuff, but they also have machine needles and lots of, you know, and it's a really good app to have because things are so easy to order and so easy to get delivered to your house. And so there are lots and lots of other things that I've ordered too. As they're coming, I'm using some of them. The motifs are absolutely brilliant. You may have seen me using one of these on one of the dresses. This one I've not used. This is one that came quite recently, and it's a really fine embroidery. So fine that if you purchased one of the, you know, necklines that you generally get, you cannot burn out in a similar way as this, and even when you burn it out, it still leaves like a rough texture at the back. But these pieces are absolutely brilliant. I've ordered several more, so I'm waiting for them to come and hoping for the days to actually go a little bit bigger as well, and then start doing some of these tutorials on these. Anyway, whilst I'm sitting downstairs, I'm going to tack this onto and hopefully once I've made the abaya, then I'll share the result. So there's like a before and after. Keep on watching and I will show you what the after looks like, hopefully once it's finished.